name's Kay and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about my tips on how to survive college. If you're interested in hearing my tips about how to survive college, just keep watching. Now, before we get into the video, I would love it if you subscribe, so hit that subscribe button if you already haven't. I am not in school anymore, but I did go to Western Carolina University and I graduated in 2016. And my first tip is to use your resources. The first resource that comes to mind is the gym. Now, I know some of you don't like going to the gym, but I also know that some of you have literally never been to a gym and don't know what the gym at your school looks like. Take advantage of it because let me tell you, gym subscriptions are not cheap. Yes, there's Planet Fitness, but still $10 a month on top of paying for everything else is still not as good as money you're paying to go to the school. Then there's the library. If you need a place to study that's quiet, the library is the perfect place to go. This next part might not be the same at your school, but I know that at Western, you had access to all of the software that the school paid for. So for example, Final Cut, Adobe Premiere Pro, all of these things were free and accessible for all of the students to use. So I would definitely check into that to see if you have access to that at your school. My next tip is to go to all of the free events that your school has to offer. A lot of times these events have free food, you meet new people, and sometimes you can even learn something new. My third tip is to back up all of your important data on cloud storage. I say this because computers can crash and flash drives can get stolen and lost. Okay, so you're gonna be working on some long papers, some in-depth projects, and you just wanna make sure that you have them backed up safely in case anything bad happens. And even if nothing bad happens, it's just always good to have that insurance policy, you know? Some different sites include Google Drive and Dropbox, and both of those options that I listed are completely free. Another very important tip I have is to make sure that you take time to unwind every day. This is important because at some point during the semester or at some point during your time in school, you're going to get super stressed out, and you want to make sure that you have established a routine of self-care and of just making sure that you're putting your mind at ease and not worrying about too much, even if it's for just 10 or 15 minutes a day. Now, one of my favorite things to do in those times that I was unwinding, and I still do this even though I'm not in school, is to use my Calm app, and it's a meditation app, and basically it's this free app that you can use any background noise and it will do a timed meditation for you. And you can do a guided meditation or you can just do a quiet timed meditation. It's really nice. I highly recommend checking that out. And there's also another app like that called Headspace. I haven't used that, but I've heard great things about that one. And my last but most important tip is to cherish this time because it will be over before you know it. I know there are going to be times that you really regret coming to school. There's going to be times that you honestly wonder if you're going to make it through. But hey, just push through, persevere, you can do it. All right, that's all the tips that I have for you today. And if you have any tips that you'd like to add, please let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.